Alright, boys and girls, I'm making this quick video. We're having a giveaway of the Flyster Slyhunter. Okay, I'm giving this away actually through another YouTube channel. I'm going to show you the quadcopter. It's been flown 2 times. I made 2 videos on it. Here it is right here. This thing flies great. It's one of those foldable ones. Just undo it. There it is. It's a beauty. It's got your stuff in here, you know, the spare props and the charger and the screwdriver and all that good stuff. It's got the phone clip on here and the battery and the controller, the transmitters right here. I have the charger. It's not in the box. It's in the other room, but don't worry, I won't forget it. I won't forget you. I won't forget you guys. It'll be in here. Trust me. It has a 3.7650 right there. Fits in the bottom here, and it has an app for the video. The camera is right there, and there's the manual right here. And the manual is not complicated, and it has the QR codes for the app right there on page 11. So just scan the QR code you want and you're all set. Real simple stuff, guys. Real simple stuff. Now let me tell you what the requirements are. Here's the transmitter. The transmitter has a very nice feel to it. Very nice feel to it. It's got that faux, it's like it's rubber coated, but it's this smooth plastic that makes it feel like it's rubber. It's not. And then the phone holder, you don't need to use the app or anything to fly it. It'll actually fly longer if you don't run the video. Okay? It clips on there, and you take this, put that in there, and you push down on it. It's a little bit tricky to figure it out at first, but okay, there it is. You put the phone in there. You have to put the bar in this little slot up in there. And it takes you a couple of minutes to figure it out if you don't look in the manual, because the manual doesn't really do it justice. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get that on there. If you look right there, you place the bar in that little slot right there, and then you just push up on that to lock that in. That way you don't have to sit there like me looking like a retard for 20 minutes trying to hook that up. There's the TDR quick way. It's called cutting a video. Now, let me tell you the requirements. The requirements are you have to go over to Coast to Coast Drones. That's Bill's YouTube channel. And you have to subscribe to his channel. And you have to have your subscriptions made public so it can be verified that you're a subscriber. And the drawing is going to be Tuesday night at around, I guess, 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Somewhere around there. Somewhere around 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. That's this Tuesday night, so that's only 4 days away. Okay, so you have to go to Bill's channel, Coast to Coast Drones. I'll put a link in the bottom. Subscribe to his channel. And go, oh, I forgot this part. You have to go leave a comment on the last episode of Drone Therapy. And you have to say in there, I want Brian's drone. or I don't really care what you say. You could say I want the drone or whatever. I'm not gonna be a stickler to that. And the giveaway is international. You don't have to live in the United States. You can live anywhere. So we're not gonna do a USA only thing. This is gonna be a worldwide giveaway. So go to Bill's channel, subscribe, turn on the drone therapy, last week's episode. Put a comment in there that you want the drone, and leave your subscriptions public so we can verify that you're a subscriber. That's all you got to do. Piece of cake. So get on over there and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button while you're there doing it. You might as well just reach up there and click on that like button while you're putting the comment in. You know, that's not going to hurt. You know, every little bit helps. So just make sure you get over there and do it, and you'll have a chance to win this awesome flying quad. The quad flies great. This is a great flying quad. The only issue with this quad is the battery life. The battery life is not that good. It's a little over 5 minutes. It'll be a little bit longer if you don't run the camera. If you don't run the Wi-Fi, you'll get a little bit, another minute and a quarter or something out of it. But you can always go pick yourself up another battery, which would probably be a good idea, because it does fly good. Because once you fly this thing, you're gonna want to get another battery because you're gonna want to keep flying it. That's how nice it flies. So that's gonna be one of them deals. You know, it flies so good that you're gonna want to keep flying it. So you're gonna go want and buy another battery. You could probably get one of these batteries for $5 on GearBest or, you know, Banggood, Tom Top, whatever. You know, they all sell these things. So all right, guys, good luck, and head on over there and put the comment in. All right, guys, thanks for watching.